Alright, what's up guys, it's Game 456 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing what I just got in the mail today. Boom. Mirage Fafnir F6. I've been waiting so long for this package to get here, and I finally got it. And also, as you can see, got a new Speedstorm Stadium on my birthday. So, yeah. Anyway, let me go ahead and get this going. Ripcord. Got to get this out. Alright, so you got the Fafnir sparking chip. You got the Mirage ring. Then you got the 1A forged disc, which is actually also a chassis, but this is the first time I ever got a double forged disc. So, yeah, it's pretty cool though. And I got the nothing driver, which doesn't have the spring-in gimmick, which sucks, but hey, at least I got it. That's loose. Okay. Fafnir F6 fully assembled right here. And if you guys are wondering, yes, it has the little well, I guess you can't see it. It says here that it does have rubber power absorption, yes. So it spins left, obviously for those of you who knows about Wizard Fafnir, about the Fafnir generation line. Alright, let's see. The stats on it is 3 for attack, 1 for burst, defense is 6, weight 8, agility 3, and stamina is 8. And can't forget about the brand new launcher right here. It's pretty cool. So yeah. And I'm also going to be doing a hand spin test. But before we do, I'm going to do a launching test. Do a launching test first. And we're going to put it up against this Fafnir Wizard. 3. Oh wait, hold up. I guess you guys can't see that, can you? Hold up. Zuri, why is that here? Why is all this here, Zuri? Man, don't worry about that, guys. It's just my brother's fault anyway. Alright, let's go ahead and test launch Wizard Fafnir with 1A chassis disc and nothing driver without the spring gimmick, which sucks. But let's still hope it works. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Okay, this launcher feels solid too. Alright, it spins good, spins really well. So we're also going to be putting it up against Wizard Fafnir F5, Glyph Dragon with the Survive Speedstorm Drive. Oh shoot. Well, it was already gonna stop anyway. For Mirage Fafnir is going to be battling Spirit Dual Hand with the Universe Speedstorm Driver, Glyph Dragon with the Survive Speedstorm Driver, and Wizard Fafnir with the Fusion Speedstorm Driver. Let's go ahead and put Mirage Fafnir versus Wizard Fafnir on set. That's the first thing I want to do. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let it.
That's it, Trey.
3, 2, 1, let it. Okay. That definitely stopped it. Okay. So it's 1-0. so far Mirage Fafnir is winning. Let's launch Mirage Fafnir first this time. Let Oh. Okay, let me try that again. Let Oh, Mirage Fafnir with a burst finish. So the winner of that one is Wizard Fafnir. Is Mirage Fafnir, not Wizard. Alright, next up is Glyph Dragon versus Mirage Fafnir. And the launcher I'm going to be using is my brand new Pro Series launcher that I got on my birthday as well, along with if I can grab it out of my pocket.
What's that?
With this guy, chose the Achilles. Shut up. Because you're just interrupting my video now, Zuri.
That's fine.
You know what? We'll even put him up against Air Knight. Why not? With the Speedstorm Revolve driver that's actually broken. Because a little bolt on it is missing, but it still works.
Okay, sure.
Alright, so first we'll do is Glyph Dragon and Fafnir. Alright, Glyph Dragon. Mirage Fafnir. Oh my god! Fafnir went up here and literally just rode on this rail right there. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, Fafnir with a survivor finish.
That's a DT.
Alright, round 2. 3, 2, 1, let. Let rip. Alright, Mirage Fafnir with the survivor finish again, so that's 2 points already. Let it rip. Let it rip. Alright, so Mirage Fafnir did very well against it. Alright, next up, Air Knight. Alright, let it rip. Let it rip. Oh, Air Knight with a burst. Okay. Who would have thought that Air Knight would have bursted it? Not me. Alright, I think that would be a good time to try the hand spinning. Let it rip. Alright. Alright, let me try that again. know what? Let's just use a launcher again. I might have to use a different driver with it. Alright, Mirage Fafnir with the Survivor finish. So that's 2-1 now. Alright, let it rip. Let it rip. Alright. Alright. Mirage Fafnir with the Survivor finish. So that's 2-2. Mirage Fafnir needs one more point to win it all. Let it rip. After this battle, we're going to be doing the Spear Dueling Hand next. Oh, it looks like Mirage Fafnir won that one. Okay, last battle. It's gonna be Spear Dueling Hand versus Mirage Fafnir. Let it rip. Let it rip. Oh, okay. So Mirage did not stand up to Spear. Okay. Let it rip. Let it rip. Okay, so Spear won that one again. Is Mirage Fafnir finally going to be beaten? Let it rip. Let it rip. Okay, so Spear definitely won that battle against Mirage. Dang, and I honestly thought that Mirage had it all. Okay, guys. Now, if you guys want the code, well, here's the code. If you guys want it, go ahead, scan it in your game, and you guys have it. 3, 2, 1. All right. Pause it if you have to. All right. So that's it for my unboxing of, as it is known as, Mirage Fafnir. If you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you guys /like/subscribe and okay, there was a fine here. Okay, /notification to get notified on upcoming videos, and I'll see you all next time. See ya.